Everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's video, I will tell you about how you can enable the game launcher in your device Samsung Z Flip 4. So in this device, if you want to enable the game launcher, if you want to use the game launcher, you can easily do it just by following the few steps and tricks as I will show you in this video. So before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch my video, and you will learn how you can enable the game launcher in your device Samsung Z Flip 4. Let's watch the video and learn about it.